Welcome to Bean Counter's Mastering Bookkeeping Basics. Do you guys have any questions about the course before we get started?
What will we learn?
Learning objectives. After completing this course, you should know or be able to perform the following. Understand what accounting and bookkeeping is, why it's important, and the key terms needed to discuss and properly use financial information. Understand the following that makes bookkeeping work. Accounts chart of accounts. Accounting equations. Double entry accounting system. Debits and credits. Rules. Formal records and documents. How to analyze and record transactions using the formal financial records such as journals and the general ledger. What financial statements are and how they are prepared and used.
How long is the course?
Including the quizzes, the course lasts a little over an hour.
Are there any prerequisites?
Just a little common sense is all that's needed. Are we ready to dive in?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go!